warm welcome to all new BWL members. You probably have forgotten our Builder Pack by now and wonder how your Builder Pack of 18 PRU is allocated. Do not fret, as this is exactly what we're going to talk about, the month-to-date MTD allocation of R4 units. First, let me explain. PRU consists of PRUU, PRUB, and PRUE. PRUU refers to the personal RUU for calculating unilevel rewards. PRUB refers to the personal RUB for calculating pairing bonus. And finally, PRUE refers to the extra personal RU for calculating sales performance bonus. Now, let me share with you how the MTD RU allocation logic works. The first 6 PRU will be allocated to PRUU, while the next 12 PRU will be allocated to PRUB. The extra PRU above 18 will be allocated such that half of the extra PRU above 18 will go to PRUE. Wondering what happens to the other half? The other half will be allocated such that 1/3 of it will go to PRUU and 2/3 of it will go to PRUB. Now, let us see a few examples to help us understand better. If member A has a monthly PRU of 6, the MTD RU allocation will be such that all 6 PRU will go to PRUU based on the logic above. Simple, right? Just remember that the first 6 PRU will always belong to PRUU. Now, if member B has 8 PRU in a month, the first 6 PRU will be allocated to PRUU, and the remaining 2 PRU in this case will be allocated to PRUB, based on the logic that the next 12 PRU will be allocated to PRUB. Simple, right? Just remember, the general rule of thumb is to check the total PRU and simply apply the allocation logic. Now, what happens when member C has 24 PRU in a month? In this case, apply what we have learned previously. The first 18 PRU will be allocated as 6 PRUU and 12 PRUB. The extra PRU will be 6 PRU after the deduction of 18 PRU from 24 PRU. The 6 PRU is divided into 2. Half of the 6 PRU, which is 3 PRU, will be allocated to PRUE, while the other half of 3 PRU will be allocated such that 1/3 of it, which is 1 PRU, will go to PRUU, and 2/3 of it, which is 2 PRU, will go to PRUB. Let's recap. The extra PRU, which is 6 PRU after the deduction of 18 PRU from 24 PRU, will be allocated such that there will be 3 PRU as 3 PRUE, and the other 3 PRU allocated as 1 PRUU and 2 PRUB. Therefore, member C's total RU allocation of 24 PRU will be 7 PRUU, 6 PRUU plus 1 PRUU, 14 PRUB, 12 PRUB plus 2 PRUB, and 3 PRUE. Now you have it. The allocation logic is fair and simple, right? I believe now you would have a clear picture of how your RU is allocated. You're now ready to embark on a fulfilling career with BWL.